Every Christmas has a story, some filled with joy, some filled with memories, and some with small miracles that change lives forever. Tonight, I will tell you a story about a snowy village, a lonely little girl, and an Xmas little that brought hope back into her heart. In a quiet village of Winterland, houses glowed with warm, festive lights. Every window had a garland, star candles, and lighter inside. But at the every end of the village stood a small wooden house, dark, cold, and silent. Inside lives a little girl named Alina. Alina had lost her parents the year before, and Xmas no longer felt magical. She lived with her grandmother, who loved her dearly. But times were hard and money was short, while other homes sparkled. Alina's window remained empty. No lights, no decoration, no star. One night, Alina looked out at the glowing village and whispered, "I just wish for one Xmas light, even a tiny one." Her grandmother sat beside her and held her hand. "Lights come from the heart, my dear," she said softly. "Lights comes from the heart, my dear," she said softly. But Alina shook her head. "It's not the same, Grandma. Everyone has Christmas except us." Her grandmother sighed, knowing she had no candles, no ornaments, no even a spare ribbon. Just then, knock, knock, knock. Alina and her grandmother exchanged glances. It was late, and no one usually visited their quiet little home. When they opened the door, no one was there, but on the doorstep lay a tiny glowing lantern, simple, handmade, with a little note. "For the house that needs the light most," Alina gasped. "Grandma, someone left this for us. It's beautiful." The lantern flickered warmly, as if alive. The place, the lantern, and the window, immediately a gentle golden glow spread across their small home. The cold room felt warm, the dark walls seemed brighter. Even the cracked wooden floor looked richer under the lantern's light. Alina stared in wonder. "It feels like Xmas finally found us." Her grandmother wiped a tear from her eyes, whispering, "Yes, my child. Sometimes when we feel forgotten, a little miracle find us." The next morning, Alina stepped outside to thank whoever left the lantern. She walked through the snow, asking everyone in the village, "Did you leave the lantern at our door?" But everyone shook their heads. "No, child, not me. I wish I had, but no." At last, Alina reached the old village church. Outside stood a tall man with kind eyes, wearing a long coat dusted with snow. "Excuse me," she said politely. "Did you leave the lantern?" The man smiled gently. "No, little one, but I know who did." Alina's eyes widened. "Who?" He pointed upward, toward the sky. "Someone who wanted you to feel loved again." Before Alina could ask more, she blinked and the man had vanished, leaving only footprint in snow that faded as the wind blew. That night, on Xmas evening, the lantern glowed brighter than ever. Neighbors who had never visited before stopped to admire it. "It shines like a star," they said. "It looks magical." People brought small gift cookies, decoration, handmade ornaments, and hang them on the little tree outside Alina's home. Her once dark house became the brightest on the street. Alina felt something she had not felt in a long time. Is that hope? And so the Xmas Alina learned something important. Xmas is not about big gifts or perfect decoration. It's about the lives we share, the kindness we offer, and the warmth we bring into someone's dark night. Some say the mysterious lantern was an angel's gift. Others believe it came from someone in the village, but Alina knew one thing: miracles find us when we need them most. And every year after that, she